On this part, we are going to add a delete icon, which is going to be in the same line as the comment, and we are going to use it to remove a comment. Now, this is going to be an icon which is going to show up only to the users who have added the comment. Now, in here, in the view, to do that, what we need to do is that we need to restructure the part of the p tag to have both the comment content and also the icon. For that, I'm going to create another div, and I'm going to make this div a flex container. So flex, and then items center, and then justify between. And this div basically just wraps both the comment text, which is going to be inside a p, and the delete icon button, placing them on the same line. So inside here, I just have the p tag. We're not going to change anything in here. And then just after this p tag, we're going to have a form. We're going to have a form because we want to submit another request to an action, which we're going to create on the next part. And that action is going to remove the comment from the database. Let's say that is going to be an action inside the home controller. And the action name is going to be ASP action. Then I'll just go and check how it currently looks like. We have add post comment. Let us name it remove post comment. So this action, we are just going to send the comment ID. For that, I'm just going to create another input with a type hidden. So input, then type hidden. The name is going to be comment ID, and the value is going to be at comment.id. So basically the ID of the comment object. Now down here, let us add a button. We need the button because we need to set the type submit. So whenever we click this button, this form is submitted. Type submit. And to this button, we can add some classes like text, red, 500. Then I say the text is going to be extra small. And also I want to add a margin left of 2. We need the margin left of 2 whenever we have like a really long comment. We want to have some space between the text itself and this icon. And then if you want, we can also add a tooltip by using title, remove post comment. And then inside the button, I'm going to use the ION icon to just add an icon. And the name is going to be, let's say, trash outline. Now let us save the changes. I'm just going to run the app to see if everything looks as expected. Let us scroll down. And we can see that we have the text here on the left and the button here on the right. Now when we add user authentication, we are just coming back to this section, and we are going to add a condition in here that the remove or this trash icon shows up only if the logged in user did add that comment. It might be a case where you have 2 other users that added a comment. Only in the third one you're going to see this icon because we don't want users to remove each other's comments. Now since we have a single user, we're not going to add that condition, but let us see how this positions when we add a really long comment. So just copy paste this and then comment. I scroll down. You can see that this icon stays always here on the right in the middle. On the next part, we are going to create the action and then see if everything works as expected.